Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
So, you've heard that the UK Supreme Court made a huge ruling about what defines a woman, and it's got everyone talking in the media world. At the heart of this is Ofcom, the regulator that oversees TV and radio content. We're going to dive into how this ruling might affect complaints about TV shows. The big question here is, will this landmark Supreme Court judgment influence how Ofcom judges complaints? The answer from Melanie Dawes, CEO of Ofcom, is yes, it's relevant and may even change how they assess complaints. But what exactly does that mean? Well, for those who might be new to the trans debate, last month's ruling says that a woman can only be defined by biological sex, not by identity or expression. This has already led to rule changes in sports and other areas. Now, Ofcom is taking this into account when it comes to complaints about TV shows. Now, you've probably heard of GB News, the right-leaning network that's been making headlines for its politicians presenting news programs. Ofcom took them to court over impartiality breaches, but there are signs that GB News has cleaned up its act. That's good news for free speech, but it also raises questions about how far Ofcom can take this new definition. The problem is, you can't just ban people from presenting current affairs shows just because they're transgender or have a different sex-based identity. But at the same time, audiences don't want to see politicians presenting straight-up news programs either. It's all about finding that balance between free expression and impartiality. We've also got rumors swirling around foreign buyers taking an interest in acquiring ITV and its production arm ITV Studios. Ofcom is keeping a close eye on this, especially since Redbird IMI, a state-funded enterprise from the UAE, was blocked from buying The Telegraph last year. So, what does it all mean? Well, one thing's for sure, this Supreme Court judgment is going to have endless debates in newsrooms and current affairs teams about how to make TV shows comply with new rules. And Ofcom will be there to step in if there are any complaints. It's a tricky balancing act, but they're aiming to get compliance without stifling free speech or standards for the public. That's all for today on Screen Sirens. Thanks for tuning in.